How to wire transfer from TD Bank to another bank. So at first, log in to your TD Bank online account or mobile app securely. Tap Move Money at bottom. Then select TD Global Transfer. First time users will need to register. Follow the prompts and review and accept the TD terms of use and privacy terms. Select the country and enter the amount you want to send. Select the transfer method that best suits you and your recipient. Select the account to transfer from and enter recipient information. Review and confirm all details and track the status of your transfer using TD Global Transfer Transaction History. You can see this is a very easy topic. So thanks for watching the video.